U.S. stocks, they jumped near session highs Thursday afternoon on a better-than-expected jobless claims report and after the European Central Bank cut its key interest rate. But first, the U.S. economic docket that was packed as weekly jobless claims, they dropped 18,000 to a seasonally adjusted 324,000 just last week, therefore falling to its lowest rate since January 2008. Also, the U.S. trade deficit that declined more than expected in March. This as imports posted their biggest decline since 2009, and U.S. non-farm productivity that rose modestly in the first quarter. But most attention today was in Europe, where, as expected, the European Central Bank knocked down its key rate by a quarter point to 0.5%, the first rate cut since July 2012. ECB chief Mario Draghi added that the current monetary stance will remain for as long as is needed. And when teamed with a more than 3% surge in crude oil prices today, it looked to be quite the active finish for the Dow Jones this Thursday. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has finished off today's trading session. The Dow is on the upside, 130.6 points to settle in at 14,831.58. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with ING-US, which traded higher in its market debut on the New York Stock Exchange after the insurance and retirement savings plan provider. It priced its IPO at $19.50 a share. That was below the initial expected range. The company started trading under the ticker symbol VOYA, and it announced plans to rebrand the company as Voya Financial over the next few years. Meanwhile, Facebook, that rose after the social networking company posted revenue that exceeded expectations as the company's mobile ad revenues continued to post gains. And Yelp, that surged by nearly 25% after the website reported revenue that beat analyst estimates and forecast second quarter revenue above expectations. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.